will know that there are some surprising jobs which we have never heard of in a pretty penny. If you love chocolate and you are ready to eat chocolate every day, take your chance to be a chocolater. Job like this really exists. These people work on factory or in small companies. Chocolaters create chocolate creations. Their job to design, create and craft chocolate treats that look great and taste amazing. These chocolate vegetarians have chosen to make chocolate their profession. Chocolaters are the creative confectioners behind your favorite cream-filled bonbons, handmade truffles, dark chocolate bars, delectable fudge, and milk chocolate drizzled wedding cakes. To develop these tasty treats, they use recepts to mix up ingredients like milk, cream, butter, and other fillings. By using fresh ingredients, they focus on developing the perfect chocolate taste. Next, they spice up their creation with a bit of creativity and design. Each piece of chocolate is perfected. It can be sold to a